Today, Year 2, we're going to learn about portraits. A portrait is a picture of a person. Lots of famous artists draw or paint a picture of themselves. These are called self-portraits. And on this slide, you can see 3 examples of artists that have painted pictures of themselves and created their own self-portraits. We have a self-portrait of Vincent van Gogh, one of Pablo Picasso, and one of Andy Warhol. To draw your own self-portrait, first of all you will need a mirror, and you will need to really look very carefully at your face. What colour are your eyes? What colour is your hair? Do you wear glasses? Do you have freckles? Have you got bushy eyebrows or thin eyebrows? There are lots of things that you need to look at. So you need to take a mirror and look very, very carefully at the detail on your face. Really notice everything. And you'll need to remember these things for your picture. When you're ready to draw your portrait, make sure you have your piece of paper this way round, because this is the correct way to draw a portrait. Have fun creating your own self-portraits.